This model kit review is of the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars, and it's by Bandai Models. And Bandai usually makes very good quality models. This is obviously a very tiny model, very small. So some little details there about it. Here's a picture of where all the different decals or stickers go. It looks like they're going to be stickers. And well, let's have a look inside. This looks like a very quick, fun little build. So we do have stickers, unfortunately not decals, but lots of little details there. There's a stand. And then, well, let's look at these sprues. Now let's start with the biggest ones here. This is the main body. As you can see here, lots and lots of surface detail. That really is quite impressive. And everything is crisp and clean. Here's the other side. Tons and tons of surface detail. Over here we've got some of the different parts that will be sticking out on the sides. There's the exhaust for the engine. But look at that, it's very impressive detail. And some guns over here, and then some more side parts, but there's radio antenna. Very impressive. Now somewhere in here, so the other one are the instructions. Here they are. So let's see what it says over here. Not sure. And colors needed there. And here are the instructions on how to put it together. So very small model, not very many parts, but that definitely is going to be a good quality model and easy to build.